Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the brush material and the problem severity. Natural bristles behave differently than synthetic. Once you identify dried paint, tap the ferrule and work out flakes by combing from ferrule to tip. Then soak the head in warm water with a bit of mild detergent or commercial brush cleaner for 10 to 20 minutes to soften residue. As the bristles loosen, gently flex them to allow cleaner in. This prevents forcing water into the ferrule and loosening the glue. Once softened, you need to extract paint trapped at the ferrule. Use a brush comb and pull debris outward, always toward the tip. If water-based paint remains, work cleaner and mild detergent through the bristles. For oil-based, use the appropriate solvent briefly, then follow with soap and water. Rinse thoroughly until runoff is clear. After rinsing, you must reshape the bristles with your fingers to their original profile and wipe off excess moisture with a lint-free cloth to preserve the shape. You finish by drying and storing correctly so the repair lasts. Lay brushes flat on a towel or hang them bristles down to prevent water migration into the ferrule and avoid bent tips. Never stand them drying on their bristles. Store in sleeves or upright without pressure. If the brush re-stiffens, repeat the cleaning cycle and try a small amount of brush conditioner or hair conditioner rinsed thoroughly. This revives flexibility. If bristles are permanently splayed, consider replacing the brush.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.